I've got an antique 1918 Singer Model 66 with red-eye decals. It has a hub for mounting a motor or a hand crank. I have a hand crank on it, which is mine. It's only for demonstration purposes only. And this one had been fitted with the newer style side clamping presser foot. I've got, and the serial number is G6414800. I've got 6 layers of denim. They were already stitched once for photo used in the ad, and just to show you how well it stitches. And there you can see it's got an equal stitch on both sides.